toe-to-hand transfer is a complex surgery used when a finger or thumb is missing, poorly developed, or lost in an accident, and reattachment isn't possible. In this procedure, a toe, most often the second toe, is transplanted onto the hand to act as a new digit. The goal is to restore both the function and appearance of the hand, allowing the patient to grasp, pinch, and perform daily activities. The surgery is performed under general anesthesia, with 2 teams working at the same time, one preparing the injured hand and the other preparing the donor toe. Surgeons carefully separate the blood vessels, nerves, tendons, and bone of the toe, then attach it to the hand. Using fine sutures and an operating microscope, arteries, veins, and nerves are rejoined. The bones are fixed with small wires or screws, and the skin is stitched together. Post-surgery. The patient is monitored for proper blood flow to the new digit. Rehabilitation begins within a few days, starting with gentle mobilization and later strengthening exercises. Although the new finger may look slightly different, this procedure has a high success rate. It restores vital hand functions with minimal long-term impact on the foot, making it one of the best solutions for severe finger or thumb loss.